We're gonna have a little cook-off and we're gonna decide whether it's better to cook off a fire or cook on a stove. I've got Julia and I've got Alex with me, and we're gonna make some burgers today on a Madkon Braai and a partner steel stove. We're gonna test each and see how quick they can set up, how quick they can cook, and how good it tastes. Julia, Alex, you each have a chance to add something special to your burger. What's it gonna be?
I'm gonna go with a secret sauce.
Ooh, sounds good. I guess we're gonna have to wait and find out.
Yep.
And for you?
I'm going with a hot honey.
Hot honey on a burger,
Yeah,
really?
A little sweet, a little spicy.
You done it before? Or?
Nope, but we're gonna do it today.
Oh, wow. To sweeten the deal, the winner's gonna get the golden spade, and the loser is gonna have to clean up all the dishes. All right, let's do it.
I'm gonna go with the Madkon Braai.
That leaves you with
The stove.
the stove,
Yeah.
and it looks like you have
Cast iron
cast iron skillet and some propane here. So
Yeah.
yeah, this is gonna be pretty exciting. Who's gonna go first?
I can go first.
You wanna go first? All right,
Sure.
you cool?
Yep,
All
let's
right,
do it.
let's do it.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
We start in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so she's got the Madkon Braai. This is the 600S, it's bigger than normal. She's taking the grill off, she's laying it down on the ground, and she's opening the braai up, right? It's that quick, right? One side of it has an option for a windscreen. We're not gonna set that up right now, but what she's doing now is she's getting some fire starter. You can see we're at about 20 seconds. She's got some fire starter. Ooh, she's building like a log cabin. She's done this before. She's done it before. And what, another layer? Okay, good. All right, now we're getting to, what's the next step here? She's lighting it up. Do we have a steady flame yet? Do we have a steady flame? It's burning on its own, and we stop. 41 seconds. Woo! How do you feel about that?
Good.
Way quicker than I thought it was gonna be. I know the Madkon Braai is super fast to set up, but
I didn't know it was that fast.
what are you doing?
I'm doing the partner steel single burner stove with
Okay.
propane. I know. I thought it was gonna be more of a landslide, but I don't think it's gonna be now.
All right, Alex, in 3, 2, 1, go.
All right.
All right, so he's opening up the single burner stove right now. Oh, a little tight, a little tight. You're burning time here. All right, so we got the hose inside.
Yep, so hose is coming out.
Hose is coming out.
Get the burner set up in place.
Yep, burner set up in place. Oh,
Fumbling over the
uh-oh.
windscreen.
We're at 17 seconds.
Come on. There we go.
All right. The windscreen is up.
Yeah, I figure I'll go windscreen now.
Oh.
All right, let's go propane now.
Propane.
Bring this down over here.
I'm not going to even tell you where we're at right now. You just keep going.
I'm
Just
feeling
keep
like
going.
we're pretty far behind. Come on.
There you go.
Lefty loosey. Stepped on propane tanks. Okay, we're getting close now.
We're getting close. This is kind of quite the process, right?
All right, yeah, between the propane and everything.
Between the propane and then you got the, okay, all right. So is it,
We're lit.
We're lit. Okay, stopped at 1 minute and 26 seconds.
Dang.
What's your takeaway here?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be a little faster, but everything has to fit just perfectly. So like the tolerances were tight, and then fumbling over the propane line, you know, it slowed me down. And the pressure of the competition, so.
Yeah. All right, so Julia won that challenge at what, 41 seconds?
Yep.
Right, and unfortunately Alex lost this challenge, so we're ahead 1-0 at this point. Let's move on to the next challenge. We are now on our second challenge here at the cook-off between the Madkon Braai and the partner steel stove. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna have Alex and Julia make their burger. So how are you gonna put your burger together?
I don't know yet. We're just gonna cook it and see where it goes.
Alex, you're up, and you got your plan, right?
Yep, I got the cast iron skillet, so I'm gonna let that warm up a little bit and then just kind of let the burgers cook in their own little juices, and hopefully they come out good and I can get a point.
Yeah, so that's right. We are going to set these guys up. They're gonna get started cooking, but this challenge is focused on how quickly you can get both burgers made and delivered and prepared to your cutting board. So when you're done, raise your hand up and say, I'm done. I'm gonna be timing the whole thing too, just to see how long it's taking us. Yep. But don't forget, the burger has to taste the best at the end of the day.
Got it.
Let's do this. All right, we're ready to go. First burger is now on the braai. Alex is just still cutting tomatoes over here. Julia's going for the gold, right? It's all about who can get it done the fastest. And then the third test is which one tastes the best. It's warm, I can hear it sizzle a little bit.
Yeah, I should have let it warm up a little bit longer, but we are in a race, so if you want a little paper towel.
Thank you. Friendly competition.
All right, we are about 45 seconds into this race right now. Julia's working on her sides. Are you gonna saute those, or are you just gonna go cold with them?
I don't really think I can on mine, unfortunately.
Is that what you're doing on yours?
Yeah, one little plus of the partner steel and the skillet, I can kind of hopefully caramelize some onions and win this thing.
Yeah, right. You're focused on heat, it sounds like, with the hot honey, you know, and
pepper jack cheese. Yeah, a little spicy. Change it up a little bit.
We got a good sizzle going here right now. How are these burgers looking over here?
I'm about to check on them. They're looking pretty good. They're getting there.
Are you gonna have to add logs to this later, or is this gonna be enough for you, or what?
I'll probably add some more just to keep the flame high.
Perfect. All right, looks like we are about 1 minute and 40 seconds into this race to the finish here. Who can get these burgers done first?
Yeah, the onions might slow me down because I want to caramelize them. So
oh, wow, okay.
I have to kind of time everything a little bit better.
You're down 1 point right now, Alex.
I know.
You realize that already, right?
So hopefully I can get the onions and everything cooked the same time when Julia's done. And
do you think Julia honestly has a chance with this, or what?
Oh, I mean, after the 45 seconds for the starting everything, I'm already behind. I don't know. That's not looking good for me.
I mean, you think you've got what it takes to what?
I don't know. I do like some caramelized onions, so he might win this one.
Yeah, we are at about 2.5 minutes here. Yeah, this is a ton of fun. It's just a beautiful fall day here in Stewartsville, New Jersey. What is it, about like 70 degrees, 75 degrees out here? That's beautiful, and we're gonna have some burgers for dinner. Any tips for somebody cooking on a Madkon Braai?
The windscreen's definitely helpful. We don't have that with us today, but that would be a huge help. Scoping out the competition.
Oh. Does that mean she's getting closer, or what?
I don't know. If she is, I'm already behind.
All right, looks like Julia is going down a level with the grill to get a little more heat on it, right?
Yep.
What's nice about it is it's kind of like cooking at home. Obviously, we got a way better view than out of a kitchen window, so I'll take that.
I mean, how are you feeling about cooking on this thing right now?
Good, good. It reminds me of camping and cooking over a fire, so it feels pretty comfortable. You're not leaning over a fire, which is nice. I like it.
How do you like your burger, Jason?
Medium's fine.
Is that too much insider info for the judge?
No, yeah, I can't. Look at the flames here. Look at the flames.
I can manage the heat on mine, but the skillet, I'm not too well versed in cooking with a cast iron skillet, so I'm trying to not burn the outside and not have the inside raw, so I'm kind of trying to take my time but not lose the competition at the same time.
Oh, she's toasting the buns. The buns are down. You know what that means? We're getting close. So a quick time update. We are at 10 minutes and 45 seconds here. Alex is getting pretty close. He's on a pretty small work surface here, and I've noticed that, you know, Julia over here on the 600S Braai has plenty of space to kind of cook her burgers, cook her buns, separate heat sources. So it's kind of functioning as like a dual burner stove at the moment. But both of them are coming down the wire. Like I said, we're at 11 minutes and about 6 to 8 seconds here. So let's see who's gonna be first. The first burger is down.
Oh no.
On the cutting board. Burger number 2.
Done.
You still gotta prep and make, so there's still time. Onion, tomato, lettuce.
Special sauce on there.
Special sauce is coming out. Here we go. And then what? Some sharp cheddar.
Yep.
Nice.
Oh no.
All right.
I forgot my
cheese. There are 2 buns down. The sauce, are the caramelized onions are there, right? Oh, he's melting the cheese.
No.
Next level.
Gotta melt the
melting
cheese.
the cheese on there.
Gotta melt the cheese.
Oh no, what's the matter?
I forgot my cheese.
Oh no, oh no. 13 minutes, 20 seconds. Oh, the hot honey
gotta have
sauce.
hot honey.
Hot honey sauce, 2 burgers,
Here we go.
2 tomato. Oh, he's just messing with her now. 3 minutes, 35 seconds. First burger is flipped.
Jason, I'm done.
All right, 13 minutes, 43 seconds. We're just gonna leave things going here and see exactly how far Julia is behind. Oh, you can't, you're done. You're done.
You said you were done.
You can't add anything to it.
All right.
No, you can't add anything to it at this point. He's trying to sneak in and throw something else on there, but he already called I'm done. 14 and 32 seconds.
We're done.
We are done. All right, that was a lot of fun. We are going quickly into our third challenge, which is the taste test, right? We thought Julia was gonna win it, and what'd you forget?
I forgot the cheese and it slowed me down.
Do you think maybe you could have just gone without the cheese, or?
No.
No way, you didn't want to subject it and
No.
just have a hamburger,
No.
right?
Yeah.
Cheese is important.
So then that's where Alex kind of slipped in and took the lead, right?
Until I forgot the lettuce and I called done. So now
called
I'm
done.
lettuce free.
So he's lettuce free. You take the cake on that one, you won that competition. It's now even to even, 1-1. All right, let's cut these burgers in half. I'll take a bite of each and give my review, and I'll make the call at that point.
All right.
Sounds good.
All right. That's right, we're having a cook-off here in Stewartsville, New Jersey, and the burgers are done. The tables are set. We're gonna cut these burgers open and see what they look like and take a bite, and I'll make the judge from there. Oh, that is looking good. I want to eat it right now, but let's see what Alex looks like first. Oh, wow, that looks good. I don't think you needed to add lettuce to that. I think this is gonna be interesting. So this is kind of more of a traditional burger here with some secret sauce. As you can see, it's definitely something with the label on it in the background there, but we're gonna try to buy it. This is the best job ever. I like the extra sharp cheddar on there. I can't taste the sauce too much. It's got a little bit of tang now that I can taste it. It's fresh because it's got lettuce, tomato, onion on there. It's perfectly done. I mean, this is exactly how I like a burger. Very solid. All right, before I completely devour Julia's cooking here, which is pretty solid. It's a pretty solid burger, right? We're gonna try this. This is more of a less traditional burger with a honey hot sauce and pepper jack cheese and caramelized onions, right? Let's just give it a shot. That's pretty good. I'm definitely getting more honey taste out of it the more I'm letting it kind of set in my mouth. Again, a solid beef burger here, but the pepper jack, the sweet, the pepperiness of the burger with the tomato on it. I don't think it needed lettuce at all. And now I'm starting to get a little bit of heat afterwards. Wow, this is gonna be tough. I really like the uniqueness of the honey pepper burger. It's something I've never had before. Other than the honey and the pepper, it tasted a little bland. I think you could have done a little more onion on there. The caramelization was nice. Some of the onion pieces were a little burnt.
It happens.
Yeah. Julia's was definitely more traditional. There was not anything that really kind of jumped out at me. I think you could have put more sauce on it.
Yeah, definitely.
Both burgers were done very well. I'm gonna give it to the honey pepper because it's something I've never had before. And I think Alex is gonna take the bank on this one,
Dang,
right?
I'm surprised.
You set up the fastest. Who
Finish
can make
the
the burger the quickest?
Yeah, I almost won it.
You subjected yourself to the risk of actually putting the cheese on the burger to maybe pick up that extra point.
Yeah.
But Alex took that one, right? And now we've just had the taste test, and Alex has won the taste test with his honey pepper burger. You know what that means, right? Hiding back here in the distance is the golden spade, and that has been officially awarded to Alex. So congratulations on winning the golden spade. You know what that means, Julia?
I have to do the dishes, but I'm gonna eat my burger first.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video on OK Four-Wheel Drive. Make sure you like, subscribe, and smash that bell for notifications. We'll see you next time.
He didn't even have lettuce. It's rigged. My burger was so much better than his. This game show sucks.